Hey, it's Eric with Sprucehill Custom Homes and Renovations. It is September 13th, and this is our weekly update for our Mont Royal Kitchen Edition. Since last week, the electricians have been here. We've got all of our pot lights in. As promised, the flooring has started. We'll have a closer look at that in a moment. The tile setter is also finished doing the floor tile in the bathroom, which we'll also go have a look at right now. So our wonderful tile setter, whose name I will never reveal on any of my videos because I covet him, has done the tile work in our bathroom here. You can see this amazing herringbone pattern. Once all of the bits and bobs finish going in here, this bathroom is going to be spectacular. Obviously, the floor is still pretty dirty. This literally just got done, so there's still a couple more cleans to go, but thought I'd show you what it looks like. It's pretty cool. And here's that flooring. Well underway. Half of this bedroom, down the hallway, into the new kitchen. Next week should be pretty cool to see what it's looking like. Thanks for watching.